Welcome to our quick guide on solving the extraction operation was not completed 0x8096002A. No error description found. Available issue. Today, we'll tackle this error. Focusing on extraction problems, error code 0x8096002A, and missing descriptions. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other you prefer. In the search bar, type Winrar and hit enter. This will search for the Winrar website, which is where we can download the software. Once the search results are in, click on Download Winrar from the list to go to the download page. Here, you'll see two options, Winrar 64-bit and Winrar 32-bit. Choose the one that matches your system. If you're unsure, the 64-bit is a safe bet for newer computers. Click on Save As to choose where you want to save the installer. It's usually easiest to save it to your desktop or downloads folder. Select your location and then click on Save. The download will start immediately. Once the download is complete, click on Open File to start the installation process. If prompted, click on Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is standard for installing new software. Now click on Install. You don't need to change any settings here. The default options are fine for most users. After a few moments, click on OK to confirm the settings. Finally, click on Done to finish the installation. That's it. Winrar is now installed on your computer. Next, let's unzip a file. Right-click on the zip file you want to open. Hover over Winrar in the context menu, and then click on Extract Files. In the window that opens, you don't need to change anything. Just click on OK to start the extraction. If your zip file is protected by a password, you'll be prompted to enter it. Type the password carefully. After entering the password, click on OK to proceed. And that's it! Your zip file is now unzipped, and you can access your files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.